We got 2015 Mazda CX-5, and today we're gonna replace the belts. Alright, see the cracks? Yeah. So to access the belts, we're gonna remove the tires on the passenger side. Pick it up like that. Make sure you have a jack stand for extra support. You know what they say, man, safety first. Do one for the lug nuts. Right here. Just in case. And look at the belts. It's cracked. Yeah, that needs to be changed. Guess this is the angle that we're gonna go for. Alright, so to remove the alternator belt, we're gonna use this. This is Serpentine. They're both with the tension there. Let's see. We're gonna go for counterclockwise so we can loosen the belt. Do this slowly and then go ahead and remove the belt off the tensioner, slide it off. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna post the diagram on how to install this back and install the alternator belt back. You can just pause it within the video. So yeah. Alright, see the cracks? Yeah. As for the water pump belt, oh man, we're gonna use the cutter. So this is the new one. Before you install it, make sure it's the right one. So what you need to do is grab it from the end to end, to kind of to replace it. All we're gonna do is cut the belt. Once you cut it, there's no more going back. Then this is the trick that every mechanic do: put the belt around the crankshaft pulley. Sure it's nice and snug. And then problem's gonna be here on the water pump. Alright, what we're gonna do is get the water through the water pump pulley. See this? See where I'm going? Alright, hold on. Let's do it again. The belt. Through the belt. Alright, here's the thing. Where's the belt? Alright, so grab the belt, place it around the crank pulley, and then make sure the insert go like this. Go like this. hold the belt on the crank pulley, make sure it's on the right groove, because we're about to rotate the crank pulley while we're trying to put the where's the other water, man? Put another water so it's flatter. Alright, there you go. And then the belt is going to be all the way down on the other groove. Make sure it's nice and snug because we're going to rotate the crankshaft. Alright, do this slowly. Push this up. We got to make sure we're holding on to this so when it rotates with it. Let's hold on to it like this. While pushing the belt up. Wow. Just keep rotating it. So it's gonna go into the groove. Alright. Watch out for the belt. It's almost there. A little more. Almost. Alright. Rotate it back. Push this one back. Matter of fact, once you see that the grooves is kind of settled, we can go ahead and take out the cut the wire ties. It's getting kind of hard to get that full rotation. Flounder. Yeah, that sounds good. It's almost there, so let's just push it while we're rotating the pulley. Do another rotation counterclockwise. At the same time, we're pushing it to the groove. Oh, there you go. Do this nice and slow. There you go. Make sure it's properly settled on the pulleys and not in the line. Alright, that's good. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is put the belt on the other side. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna put the diagram on how to install the alternator bolt, the alternator belt, because it's kind of hard to show it to you guys on how to, on where to put the belt on it's kind of hard to show you guys on how to install the belt. So I'm just gonna post a picture, post a diagram, and you guys kind of maneuver it however you want. My advice would be, at the very last, I would say, maneuver it here where the tensioner is gonna be. So put everything else, I say put the top first. So put the belt around the crank pulley, the AC compressor, and the alternator. Alright, there you go. Counterclockwise. Alternator first, and then the AC compressor, and then we'll put the crank pulley last. It's the one that we see. Or yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. This one last. See, there you go. Make sure the belt is on all grooves before we let it go. Alright, confirm that everything is good to go. Alright, let it go. Got the tension. Nice. Okay. Alright, this is how you replace the belts, the water pump belt, the alternator belt or AC belt on a 2015 Mazda CX-5. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know right down in the comment section. I hope that this video gave you guys the confidence to work on your car today. Yeah, I have a couple more videos I need to release for this kind of car, so I'm gonna put everything on a playlist, so if you guys want to check them out, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, overall this job working on the ground is a little bit pain on the neck, so just be prepared for that. Always put a jack stand, you know, safety first. If you guys watched the entire video, I appreciate y'all. Check out my channel, man. I got like all different kind of cars, you know, BMWs, Mercedes, Toyota, Hondas. Yeah, just check out my channel. I have a lot of tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.